guys, it's Jen. I wanted to do a little video and show you a few of the learning time activities that I've been working on with Carter this week, and I made this calendar. It's going to be our weather chart. So everything is like magnetic. I put little magnets on the back of all the numbers and then on the back of the poster board, so they just stick right on there, and they work okay. I just had a big bag of these magnets that I bought some time ago, and now they're coming in useful finally. And so everything will come off on here, and I'll be able to switch it out for every month. I'll just, put up April. These ones up here actually Velcro dots, which actually work a lot better than the magnets. I would probably do that in the future if I were to make another one of these. So every day he'll go out and observe the weather, and the book that I got this idea from has a bunch of pictures, and the child or the parent can color them. So there's like a little snowflake for snow, which we never get here, but sun and like wind and cloud with rain. And today it actually was rainy, so he did get to put up a little rainy cloud, yay, instead of sun. So like I said, everything will come off and we'll reset it for every month, and this will give us an opportunity to work on days of the week and numbers, and also be a little bit more observant of the weather. And along with the weather, we're kind of doing like a weather theme right now. I also have a bunch of these like little books that I can print off, and they're just really cute. They talk about the weather, different types of weather, have tons of little pictures he can color at the end. Has a little box he can draw a picture of like how the weather was today, and I don't know, I just really like these. They're simple and cheap. So I have a bunch of those. He has another little book he's been working on. He wrote his name on the front. This is his spring book, since it's now spring, and every page has a little picture and then has a little dotted line letters so he can trace them. So he did tulip and rain, which was fitting for today since it was raining, and it just has really cute pictures, very simple words, and then we'll color this when he's done with that book. Also, we did the letter Y this week. I'm not sure if I already said that, but I don't know, I have a bunch of actually like preschool books that we use a lot of the time, and this one in particular I really like. They have really colorful pages. And like this one, there was a Y in the middle, and he had to connect the line to the picture and the words that start with the letter Y. So the yo-yo, the yak, yarn. It was very simple for him to do. He understood it. I really like these activities. What else? We've been doing sight words. So I made these flashcards, and there's just, I don't know, maybe 6 of them, but am, at. And I wrote a bunch of them on the board this week, and he was matching them up and kind of starting to recognize them, so that's really exciting. That's our second set of flashcards that we've done. The first set, we did words that end in at, so like rat, bat, sat, cat, that type of stuff. And he's catching on to those pretty well. We also have like his name and Cooper's name and my name in here, and he recognizes all those, so that's really exciting too. The other couple of things we've been working on this week, we've been using a lot of like, if you can see, I just have a little container that I have like beans in, and I just took like a simple piece of construction paper and drew little boxes, and then wrote like the number 1 and 2 and 3, and that way he had to put the certain amount of beans in each square. And I think since it was like something new, like we've never played with beans before, so he just thought that was exciting, something a little bit different for him to do. So that worked out pretty well. And next week, I'm really excited. I'll put a link below for these, but these file folders, they're really cute, and they come with like the front little, label, and then the little tab label. This one is called Berry Patch, and I purchased Velcro dots online, which I can put a link below for those as well. They've been working really, really well. So I just Velcroed them. So I'll put all of like the strawberries in like a probably like a folder on the front here, and I'll just slip them here so when he wants to do the activity, he'll just take them out. And you have to match the lowercase letter with the capital letter, and then you just stick it next to it. And this is really, really cute. I really like the way this looks. And I showed it to him last night, and he was pretty excited. He wanted to, well, he thinks it's a game, so he wanted to play the game with me, and he did pretty well. So we have the Strawberry Patch one, and then the second one I made was Under Construction, which he really likes, like all of his tools and stuff to work on his cars. So I think he'll like this one. He hasn't seen this one yet. But this one's just numbers. It's pretty simple. And these will all come off, obviously, again, the Velcro dots, and it'll just be the numbers 1 through 20, and 1 and 20 are actually already on there, so he just has to fill in the rest. And again, just really cute. I bought these color file folders. We have just like the regular file folders, but I really like the color ones. They just kind of make it a little bit more exciting. So I'm excited to do those next week. And I did not record Carter doing his little egg activity. He gets so distracted when I'm videotaping him, so I decided not to do that. But he does really well with them. The only problem is these eggs are really cheap, so he does have a difficult time like putting them back together. But and the other thing, it's like when you put it on the table, I normally set them like this, so now this kind of looks like, it doesn't look like a bee, so it's hard to tell him like you have to turn it over and look like this, so it's a bee, and match them up. So it's good for him. I think I really like this activity, but it's a little more challenging. I have to be right there to kind of help him along with it until he gets a little bit more familiar with those. But overall, he likes it. He wants to do it. I just chose not to record him at this point because he won't probably do it on camera. But those are our activities right now. I don't think I have anything else. But I will do another video at the end of next week. We're going to do the letter Z, and we'll see how that goes. So thanks for watching, and if you have any preschool activities that you've been working on with your child, post them below because I'm always looking for new ideas. And thanks for watching.